Wala pa rin.
G51. G51. Well, I think the 001 a very generous donation back to the organization. Thank you. And also thank you. G53.
Bingo!
G53.
Bingo! Ano ba to?
Corner stamp, 6 stamp.
Oo nga.
Possible.
Let me see.
53 laps.
Tatlo, di ba?
Yeah.
3 card. Get a verifier.
Di ba
In the
tatlo?
middle, please.
Ito!
Sabi ko sa'yo may tatlo.
Okay, volunteers, not allowed at one time.
2, 3, 4, 3, 2. Paper.
Ayan.
53 laps. What a winner. Any others?
Ayan.
That's what I'm talking about.
Here is seeing all others.
Ah, bingo po.
Please stay up to one winner in a minute.
Sucker.
Bingo. Nagulat ako eh. Sabi ko, waiting ako bakit tatlo yung akin.
Looking at the last one, look for 4 card crazy bingos, straight line, 6 back corners, back corners, in and
Banderas.
around. Any combination of these 5.
Sucker.
Flag. Flag. Flag.
4 card crazy bingo. First number round, also you want number 5, 5 as well. Please name all your numbers, and you win 5.
Tamo? Swerte pako mo.
Tinatama ako kasi lang akong pera. Sabi ko hanggang dito mo bukas wala akong pera.
Asan ang bandera? Wala akong bandera.
Si Ete hindi naman nagdalagay ng bandera.
Give me that flag, Letty.
Bahala sila. Alisin mo to. Dapat nakaregyo yung pera dyan. Wala pa silang poro sa machine eh. Video.
Let's get 4 card crazy bingos, your team. 7 as well. Those you ready?
7?
5.
Just
Just
5.
If you remember. 5 as well. Next number's on the screen.
Did you guys win?
Yeah.